This Goldstyle Compound Trinocular Microscope offers a very wide magnification range from 40 times to 5,000 times, making it suitable for both classroom use and more serious home lab work. The ultra-wide field eyepieces and achromatic objectives produce clear, sharp images with good edge detail, so fine structures in prepared slides are easier to study. An integrated light-emitting diode illumination system with adjustable brightness provides even, cool lighting and natural color rendering that works well for biological specimens. The angled viewing head, adjustable interpupillary distance, and full rotation make the microscope comfortable to share among different users during longer observation sessions. Separate coarse and fine focus controls, along with the built-in color filters, allow precise focusing and contrast adjustment that help beginners quickly get crisp views. The included smartphone adapter and experiment kit turn the microscope into a simple imaging station, letting users capture and share photos and videos of their findings in real time.